Momentum analysis expert Michael Oliver gives his conservative opinion on silver. Now above $50, gold above $4,200. Will there be a correction now, or will they continue to move higher?
I think we'll have a correction in the process of getting to where we've been talking about, whether it's 100 or 200 in the next 6 months. There'll be a correction in that. It'll likely be a 1 month type phenomenon. In fact, if you go back to the 79 move, the 6 months prior to the move to $50, or it was like September 2010 before the April 2011 high in silver, where it went from like the 20s to 50. There was in the middle of that move on the clock at about 3 months or so into the move where you had what you could call a correction. In the case of 2010, I think it was in December of 2010 or Jan of 2011, you had a bad down month. It was actually a bad month. And it looked like, oh, that's a reversal top. Okay. There was no follow through the next month. It immediately went back up, made new highs, and took off again. Okay. The similar thing happened in 79 to the 1980 top at 50, where there was a period of about 6 weeks involving a month and a half, where silver had a sharp drop, but then really didn't go make a new high for a while. It muddled around. In other words, it corrected by standing still, but it got whacked a bit during that midpoint in the move. So I'm expecting, yes, between now and the target numbers I'm talking about, probably about 3 months into this, meaning like December, January, somewhere in that time period, you should expect some kind of correction that you can actually label as such.
Michael Oliver is indicating that he does not see a correction at current price levels of silver, around $52, and gold north of $4,200. However, en route to Mr. Oliver's current price target of silver at $100 to $200 over the next 6 months, there may be an identifiable correction. Specifically, he mentioned possibly in the time frame of December or January, mere weeks away, there will be an identifiable correction, not lasting more than a month or so, then going higher.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel